They tell I'm going to school today. Why not? Because we're going on a little trip. We? Where are we going? It's a surprise. Shouldn't he be locked up by now? Your mom was like going to the police. Nobody's going to the police. Why not? Because, Miss Queen, if somebody goes to the police and they find out your mom is guilty of killing that motherfucker, oh, I'm so sorry. Your daddy. They're going to throw her into prison. And you two sweet children just be separated and taking CPS. You do know what that is, right? That's Child Protective Services, little girl, and although those lovely people do have good intentions, they're just going to toss you from foster home to foster home when people are going to do God knows what to you. You think here is that? Try waking up in the middle of the night where your foster daddy has his hands and you're down there without your permission. And although you cry your pretty little face off, ain't nobody coming. Because your foster mom is in the next room counting up all the money our fine government's been giving her to take care of your little sorry pipsqueaks who have no daddy, whose mom and I lives in a high-security state prison because a little foster girl went and told the police that her mama, instead of taking more shit and abuse than any woman should be expected to take, finally grabbed that 45. It's been hiding in the underwear drawer and emptied into the dirty chest of that motherfucker. I'm so sorry. Your daddy.